just hard to believe that this is a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, we done it. You was able to help me get a big golden YouTube play button. I didn't even know YouTube even made these. You're probably wondering, Curtis, you only have 1,000. How in the world did you even get this? Well, I made it.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Natty. So today I want to present to you something that I made. And what I made was this: a golden YouTube play button. This is all made out of wood. If y'all didn't know already, I take carpentry class at my school. You probably remember the iPhone wood, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have an iPhone 6, an iPhone 6 Plus, an iPhone 6S, maybe just have the iPhone 7 or the iPhone 7 Plus, throw them out, because nothing can get any better than the iPhone would. So then I took it upon myself to make this golden play button. Oh, look at that shine. Oh, yes. But yes, I have a golden play button that's made out of wood. That shine is so crazy! But of course I'm not going to show you the play button without showing you how I made it. So here you go.
This will be good.
Alright, so now that it's glazed and now sanded, it's time for the paint.
What color, you may ask? Well, gold.
So yeah, that's how I made this beautiful play button. I just can't get over that shine. So in case y'all wondering, I left the back wooden, and the reason why I did that is because I don't want to cover that, but instead I want to sign it. So y'all probably wondering, what will the back say? Well, hopefully I become the big YouTuber I want to be in later in life. So I want to remember where this came from. So therefore, I had it written down May 26, 2017. Have my subscriber count, which is 1,110, and of course, Natty. I want to remember this moment. Remember, this is the day where I made this beautiful thing that gets to shine in the light like this. See, doing this, you probably think, oh, he got something legit. Then you hit this angle. Nope, it's homemade. But still sexy. It's still sexy. So the question is, where am I going to put this? Because I want to have this in the camera somewhere, but we won't know. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make really small ones for a few of my YouTube friends, just so they can have one as well. Just smaller ones. I'm gonna label it for them. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Show this beautiful play button that I took the time to make. If you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Give this video a like. Let's do that. and subscribe for more content. I will be uploading weekly. I done said that in videos before. I'm just making sure because I said that before and I've been procrastinating. But that's all I gotta say. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. And yeah, peace.
Ta-da!